Here's a mind blower. Using IP telephony increases efficiency, improves customer satisfaction, and reduces call-related costs by 50%. We're all familiar with phone calls, and thanks to a pandemic, we're all painfully aware of voice and video calls over internet platforms like Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. But have you ever wondered how they work? Well, I'll be answering that in this video, as well as explaining what IP telephony is and why you should consider incorporating it into your business. Stay tuned. IP telephony stands for Internet Protocol Telephony. It's commonly used as a synonym for VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol. However, that's not entirely correct. IP telephony is more of an umbrella term including VoIP, fax, and text messages sent over the internet. Unlike traditional landlines, IP telephony facilitates communication over the internet. It doesn't require special hardware or regular maintenance, only an app and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Honestly, it's pretty simple to understand. Let's say you want to make a phone call online. When you speak into the microphone, your device picks up your voice and digitizes it into data using so-called codecs. This data is then bundled up into packets. And if you want to learn more about these packets, and more specifically, packet loss, check out the video linked above. These packets are then sent to the receiver's device using an internet protocol, where it is then decoded and turned into audible sound once more. Now, depending on your device and provider, several internet protocols or IPs can be used. Number one is Session Initiation Protocol, or SIP for short. As the name implies, SIP is primarily used for initiating and terminating communications. You can think of it as a helper for all the other protocols. Number two is H.323. It's like SIP but older and clunkier. It's been all but replaced by its younger and more versatile little brother. Number three is Real-Time Transport Protocol, or RTP for short. After a session is established, RTP is used to transport the actual media stream consisting of all the audio and video data. It is the foundation of IP telephony. Number four is Real-Time Transport Control Protocol, or RTCP for short. This works in combination with RTP, but is only used to send control data packets to monitor transmission statistics and quality of service. Number five is Secure Real-Time Transport Protocol, SRTP for short. This was created as an extension to RTP for more secure communications. It adds various protective layers to prevent attacks, increase privacy, and confidentiality. And finally, number six is Session Description Protocol, or SDP for short. And it's used in establishing a connection between two endpoints. For example, the caller's devices. Both devices send out an SDP, which informs the other about their specifications and capabilities. Now that we know how IP telephony works, it's time to answer the big question. Why should you use it anyway? Well, there are several reasons for that. Firstly, it's cheaper than landlines. As we mentioned earlier, IP telephony does not require any special equipment. It also avoids traditional costs associated with local and international calls. Thanks to that, companies that switch to IP telephony can save up to 50% on all their call-related costs. Secondly, it offers advanced features. With VoIP platforms like CloudTalk, you and your employees can enjoy various quality of life improvements like auto-dialers, click-to-call, automatic call assistants, and many, many more. Third is that it's easy to integrate with the CRM, so you can save yourself the time and trouble of manually updating your CRM and let your VoIP platform do it for you automatically with awesome and stress-free integrations. Fourth is it's simple to scale. Adding new numbers couldn't be easier with VoIP. All you have to do is pick a number, choose whether it should be local or international, and click buy. Now, it's not quite as simple as that, but it kind of is. Fifth is that it allows and enables remote working. So thanks to IP telephony, your employees no longer have to be bound to their desks. They can call from their devices whenever and wherever they want or is necessary. And finally, it erases the need for multiple networks. So why worry about landlines when one network and one VoIP platform is all you need? Sound good? If so, definitely give CloudTalk's free trial a go. Plus, you get complimentary calling credit to try it out with. You'd be mad not to. If you are interested, click the sign up link below, which is pinned to the top of the comments section. As always, don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe, as well as the notification bell. And if you'd like to learn more about everything VoIP related, check out our other great videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.